sent a whole campaign, and half of it landed in spam. By the time you notice, the damage is already done. Vyroq's deliverability page catches it before your reputation takes the hit. Open it, and you'll see your score front and center, plus your tier. Excellent, good, on watch, restricted, or suspended. So you know exactly where you stand at a glance. Scroll down to metrics, and every rolling 7-day number is right there. Bounce rate, complaint rate, block rate, opt-out rate. The real signals inbox providers actually track, not vanity stats. Here's what makes it useful, not just informative. Under How to Improve, Vyroq gives you specific, actionable hints tied to your actual numbers. And What Affects Your Score spells out the exact formula. Bounces, complaints, and provider blocks each pull real points, so nothing about your reputation is a mystery. If a restriction ever kicks in automatically, you'll see it under Active Restrictions, with the trigger rules spelled out, and an Appeal This Action link right there if you think it was wrong. That's reputation you can actually manage, not one you find out about after it's already broken. Start yours free at vyroqhigh.com, no credit card, and a 14-day money-back guarantee.